Good morning everyone. Class 11th Commerce. As you know that the syllabus of your economics is this. There are three parts of the economics you have to read here. Part A, statistics for economics, which is for the 40 marks. Part B, introductory microeconomics, which is also for the 40 marks. And part C, okay, that is project work. It is for the 20 marks. I have given the introduction before also, and what is economics, who is father of economics. Again I am here saying economics. Okay, father of economics is Adam Smith. According to Adam Smith, what he has given the definition of economics, he defines the economics as a science of wealth. ठीक है, economics is a science which studies the nature and causes of wealth of nations. According to Adam Smith, economics is the science of wealth. Okay, he also wrote the book. The short name of his book is Wealth of Nation, which was published on 1776. Okay, and let me describe here economics. There are two main branches of the economics. First one is microeconomics. Micro means individual unit. In हिंदी we can say that सूक्ष्म और व्यष्टि. ठीक है, माइक्रो का हमें हिंदी मीनिंग भी जानना ज़रूरी है. एंड द another branches of economics is that macro means aggregate or total, or in Hindi that is samasti. Okay, so at first the famous economist Professor Ragnar Frisch introduced the micro and macro words. Okay, it is the question, many times question asked, who introduced the word micro and macro. So our answer will be Professor Ragnar Frisch. He has introduced the micro macro words. Okay, now we have to know the meaning or definition of microeconomics. Microeconomics means when we study about the individual unit, it is known as microeconomics. Okay, and when we study about the aggregate or total unit, it is the macroeconomics. We also give some we can given the example here. Individual income is the part of microeconomics, and national income is the part of macroeconomics. So let's see the meaning of microeconomics. Microeconomics is the study of the behavior of individual economic unit. Okay, when we study about the single, small or individual economic unit, it is the part of the macroeconomics, or it is the definition of the macroeconomics. Okay, thus macroeconomics refers to the study of scarcity and choice problems facing an individual economic unit. It is related with the individual economic unit. Okay, okay, and the example of the macroeconomics is demand, supply, individual firm. These are the example of microeconomics. Simple definition microeconomics का कि when we study about the individual economic unit, it is known as macroeconomics. The example of macroeconomics is demand, supply or individual firms, individual income. ठीक है, these are the example of the macroeconomics. And the another name of the macroeconomics is price theory. प्राइस थ्योरी के नाम से भी माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स को जानते हैं.